Alright, hopefully you can hear me over the sound of my engine and the lady mowing, but posted about what I do for a walk around, so here I'm going to do one. I've already done it, so I don't want to be distracted with the video, but I'm going to do it now. So here we go. The first things first, we look at the tires, make sure they look normal. I also will check my tire pressure monitor when I get into the truck, to make sure that's okay. If anything's low, I will actually stop everything, get my air compressor out, and come back. Alright, coming through here, look at the hitch, recount the steps in my head, make sure the handle's closed, make sure electric's done, and make sure that emergency breakaway's latched. Alright, so again, we look low, look at all of our hatches, we make sure the handles are locked, look at our slides, make sure they're closed appropriately. Look at all of our water heater, docking station, power cord cover. Looking up. Check to make sure sewer's done. Again, glance at the tires, make sure they look okay. Look kind of in behind them, make sure the suspension looks okay. Slides, windows, water fill, gas pump, gas tanks, everything's closed. Ladders latched, closed if you have a extendable ladder like we do. The back door, give it a pull, make sure it doesn't open, make sure it feels solidly locked. I got my four-ways on, they're going good. We drive with our lights on, so I make sure the side marker lights are lit. Again, awning, windows, door handles closed, steps are up and locked. Stabilizer or landing jacks, is really what I'm trying to say, are up. Windows, air conditioner. I guess I didn't say it on the other side, but I do look across the roof line. Make sure nothing unexpected is sticking up. Again, doors. I got a couple of things hanging down there. That's normal, but you want to make sure that whatever is normal is normal. Again, checking the steps, they're latched. Doors locked, handles flipped, awnings closed, hatches are locked, these are down. Make sure the front one's locked. Another quick check of the hitch from this side. Look at the cat, make sure nothing unexpected is going on. Looking at the truck, there's Logan. There's my beautiful wife mapping out the route for the next leg of the trip. And she'll be driving today because I'll be working. And last look at the truck. So, I think this video is almost 3 minutes long. It's a little bit longer because, I'm actually talking through what I'm doing versus mentally going through it. But walk around is invaluable. I've watched people pull out with, their laundry thing hanging off the back, or hatches open, or, people talk about pulling away with their electric still hooked up. Lots of money for the campground, lots of money for them. And we're going to take a quick look at the box now that I said it. Everything's undone, everything looks good, and hope everybody has a good day. Thanks.